I hope that helps, honey. Look at this. Happy Friday, peeps. It's bucketing in Brisbane this morning. Have a look at this. My goodness. Ang lakas ng ulan. Anak, I'm dropping at the terrace to school. At hindi ko alam kung paano ko i-drop. Like, this is too strong for our little umbrella. Ito din siya ay Childcare. Anak! The rain is so heavy! What are we gonna do? Huh? Ayaw, ate. Alam niyo ba si Daddy Mike, kaninang umaga, alam niyo naman yan siya, gusto maglakad, bumili ng kanyang kape. Ay, nadatna ng ulan, nandun sa coffee shop ngayon. Paano na yan? So, pick upin ko yun siya. Okay lang naman. Pero, ito, paano ko ito i-drop? Oh, ang lakas. Ganito talaga sa, guys, sa Brisbane kapag umuulan mo.
I have Daddy the right to be at the wall.
Oh my goodness gracious.
I know what we can do. We can drink the rain. And
You'll get wet, and we don't want you to get wet.
Please.
Hala, among hinayhay sa likod, human. Alright guys, come on, let's go. This way. Not in the rain, sweetie.
Yeah?
Yes, get in the car, please.
I
We'll pick up Daddy Mike from the
Daddy, I'm
coffee
gonna
shop. Para may maglakad ka at guys. Grabe, lakas ng ulan. Baba natin. Alam niyo, kanina pag alis namin, sabi niya, ayaw niya pumunta. Ayaw niya pumasok.
Yes.
Yeah, there they are. They're going to Auntie's classroom now. Oh. Ano niyo? Basang-basa sa ulan. Ang home guys. Basang-basa kami sa ulan. Tignan niyo. Pero tumigil na yung ulan. Sobrang dami ba naman ang inulan niya kanina? Naubos na. I'm making my coffee. Yung aking singaw ay it's getting better now. This one, I think it's fully healed. Ito siya, still a little bit. And now that it's getting better, yung throat ko na naman. May ubo ako. Hindi na talaga ako tinantanan ng sakit, guys. I think my immune system is very weak at the moment. Meron akong ngayon, business thingy going on. So, pinahiram ni Daddy Mike sa aking laptop niya. Yeah, he's working from home pala. Hi, Daddy.
Hello.
Ayan. Dapat sana sa office niya siya mag-work today. But, inulan man. Ay, hindi siya. Dito siya nag-work sa bahay. So, ito yung gagawin ko this morning, guys. We'll see. Actually, nagtingin ako ng tutorial sa YouTube. Shopify tutorial for beginners. Ayan. So, kay Daddy Mike talaga ito na idea. So, I'm going to create my online store. So, gaya ng mention ko sa inyo guys a few vlogs ago na we're making it like a serious now, you know, like it's a business, treating it like a proper business now, yung aking online selling. So, at the moment, yung ginagawa ko nga, marketplace, eBay, Gumtree, doon ko pinapost yung mga paninda ko. But, yeah, Daddy Mike suggested na it's really good na magkaroon ng Shopify store. So, ayan. Kasi gagawa tayo ng website natin. So, kasi sa Shopify, like, it's your own store. Like, walang makakapag-dictate sa'yo kung ano yung gusto mong presyo and all. Kasi, di ba sa eBay, they charge you like up 14% of the sale. So, you know, walang magagawang kita doon. Kung meron man, sobrang liit lang. And sa Facebook Marketplace naman, minsan, pag nadadamihan mo yung post mo, ay dinidelete ng Facebook, and then sometimes nire-restrict pa yung account mo. It happened to me so many times before na-restrict yung Facebook account, Facebook Marketplace. Kaya yung sa akin, close na, kang Daddy Mike na lang yung ginagamit ko ngayon. Move ako dito sa kwarto, guys, kasi Daddy Mike is constantly on the phone. Napakaingay, hindi ako makapag-focus doon. So, I do have a very important news to share with you guys. So, you all know this. The past month, I have been looking for a job, right? Nag-start si Baby CELINE ng Childcare 3 days a week, and supposed to be maghahanap ako ng work part-time na 3 days a week. So, nakita nyo sa previous vlog natin na I did receive a call from CEO, so may lead na tayo for our new job. But the past few nights, Daddy Mike and I had this late night conversation, and we came up and we made up this decision. So, I am no longer looking for a job. Hence, we're doing this online business thing seriously because ito na yung tututukan ko ngayon. So, I'll tell you the reason why hindi na ako maghahanap ng work, guys. Firstly, the main reason why I'm going back to work is that mag-a-apply kami ng mortgage to buy our own house, and there's more chance na you'll get more amount kung dalawang payslip yung maipapakita nyo sa bangko. And that's the main reason na babalik ako ng work, kasi after 6 months or after a year, may mapapakita na kaming payslip na ganito ganyan, and then we can get a loan and get a house. With CELINE going to childcare dito sa Australia, guys, we're very lucky that our government help us with the childcare fee. So childcare is not cheap. It is, I'm telling you guys, sa childcare ni Baby CELINE, it's $150 a day. So nung nag-apply ako December, they came back with a result based on Daddy Mike's salary. They gave us 36 hours na subsidized. Subsidized yan siya, guys. Hindi yan siya free. Subsidized, which means they take something off from the fee. So, ngayon, 36 hours is like 3 days sa childcare. That's 36 hours a fortnight. So, in-enroll namin si Baby CELINE 3 days a week. So, it means yung first week ay subsidized, and the second week we have to pay in full. So, let's just say there's $50 a day subsidized in the first week. So it means my $50, $150 that week, and then the second week is full price na, which means $450 for the second week. So it's like $600 for fortnight. Anyways, we're like, okay, let's try that. When I go back to work, it just means that we have to pay for the parang out of pocket kami, di ba? And then, just last week, I did get another email from the government saying that they've reduced CELINE's time from 36 to now 24, which calculates to 2 days a fortnight now. So, it means 1 day a week lang yung subsidized. So, it means the other 2 days in a week, we have to pay it in full. So, that changed everything, guys. Parang na 360. Kasi, Daddy Mike and I thought na it's going to be really expensive now. Like, if you can imagine, guys, if I go back to work, kung ano yung kikitain ko sa work, I'm just paying the childcare. So, yeah, na-stress si mami niyo, guys. Daddy Mike and I decided na we will just take CELINE out from childcare. Not fully. We will still put CELINE once a week sa childcare. And then, me, I'm not going back to work anymore. And I'll just have to do my business, which is online selling. Not, you know, like bags. You can see I've got so many bags, clothing, everything, name it, guys. I do have it. Yan yung i-focus ko ngayon. We created like ABN, like Australian business number. So we registered the business and all that. So it's going to be like a proper business. So yan yung focus si mami nyo ngayon, guys. Kasi by doing that, because I know Daddy Mike can see it, guys. I do sell stuff. This is better than me going to work, not making anything because I'm paying the childcare. Like, at least here, I'm doing my own business. I've got CELINE with me at the same time. And I can still take her to playgroup. We might have to wait until kindy. So, kindy will be like when CELINE turns 4. So, still a year and a half, I'd say. I have to be like stay-at-home mom, doing my own thing, doing my own business. So yeah, we waited, and ito yung naging decision namin ni Daddy Mike. And I feel and I think that we're making the right decision for the family. House-wise, kung paano kami bibili ng bahay ngayon na it's only Daddy Mike's we still try. Daddy Mike has been talking to his friends, the mga broker and all, trying to apply just by himself. Kasi kung hihintayin namin tong business namin, it might take a while kasi kailangan pa lang 1 whole year para may mapakita na the business is running and it's making money and all that. Yung ating plano, yan yung magaganap for now, and you know, I'm sharing it with you guys because, you know, you are all family to us, you're family to me. And I feel like, you know, it makes me feel good every time na nag-share ako sa inyo kasi you always have something to say. Whether, you know, not very nice comment, or, you know, like ugly comments, I read them all. So it's now 2 o'clock ng hapon and we are going to pick up our ate Paris a bit later, but yeah. Aalis ako ng medyo maaga kasi punta ako ng bakery, guys. So I haven't been eating properly because of my singaw. Where's the light? They're blanket. This one is working. So now I'm very excited because it's starting to heal and makakain ako ng mabuti, guys. Before kasi sobrang sakit kapag kumakain ako. And since Daddy Mike's got something going on as well, pupunta siya ng post office. May dadalhin siyang mga dokumento. So we'll just go together. Tignan nyo, still raining. Oh my goodness. Nandito pa si CELINE. Sabi niya, oh my goodness. Oh, go this way. Just check the mailbox first. Bakery na kami. I think. Hi, how are you? It's not crispy pork.
Actually, I don't even need to show a post to. All I have to ask them to do is to see if they can scan and send it to me.
Yeah. Bami for Daddy Mike. Barbecue chicken. And this is pork with grass.
Pickled vegetables. Mum and Paris Inc.
Mum and Paris in Queensland.
Mum and Paris Inc. Melbourne. Yeah, you don't need Yeah, you don't need an ABN for that. You just include it in your Love Me Now Queensland income.
Look at that. Yeah. If that vlog. My tongue's not hurting. We're picking up Ate Paris and may payong si mami nyo. Umuulan pa rin siya. Hindi na siya kasing lakas kaninang umaga. Tingnan nyo, oh. Baka na lang eskwelahan. Thank you. Sa. Ooh.
From Miss England time.
Wow.
Good at school today.
And congratulations, baby girl. Baby, give it to mama. What's this?
That's just my George.
Oh, okay. Come, do you want mama to carry this? Are you okay to carry your bag? It's not heavy, isn't it?
Yeah. Hi, Georgina! I'll take that.
Did you eat your lunch?
Yeah?
How was it?
Good.
Well, careful because it's going to get wet. Okay, go, keep moving.
Been raining the whole day today.
I know. What did you do? Did you do anything outside today?
No.
Huh?
No.
No, this way, this way.
We did nothing outside.
Where did you eat?
We ate in the shade of it.
Oh, okay. Come on, keep going. Alright. Sorry. The one with the skin on. This one here. Hi, can I please have 2 slices of the salmon with the skin on? Yes, please. I'll just grab 2, but the tummy part. Yes, please.
My tail.
I'll get this one for... I don't know. Naka-half price kasi nga yung gano'ng kamahal. Kung hindi naka-half price, just color. Okay, I'll just get milk. Which one? Where? It's too high. Tingnan nyo, parang blutak. Magkalungat.
I'll vlog while you're trying. I'm doing your tippy toes.
Chef. Go get it. Ang batang dito ay mahilig sa blutak. Hindi pikit-pikit.
No, I changed my mind. Can we have the blue one? The
Okay.
blue color?
Can you reach it? Yeah, grab that one. Okay, can you hold it please for mama?
Right, I'm doing this on my own. All this.
Doing well.
Now, where's the stand?
Yep. pag-alamin dito sa labas ng bahay, guys. Where's your... Nap, put it in your bag, please.
I need some food.
Please.
Mama's acting, mommy.
It's not working? Oh, no battery. Mo.
So Mami?
Hang on, baby.
Boil the shit out of it, yeah?
Mommy, I said broccoli.
Broccoli! Yes, that's right, Abba!
The ABN's up now. But I haven't received confirmation that the company name has been I paid for it, but it hasn't been registered yet. So it's still showing as yes. It's still. I don't want broccoli. Mommy wants the broccoli. So I'm still waiting for Love Me Again Queensland to be officially registered.
Okay. No? No. One at a time.
Mommy's cooking now.
Oh.
You know why you're hungry because I guarantee you didn't eat anything today.
It's alright, we're cooking now. Did you eat all your plum?
That's it.
You're still bring it.
Anyway,
Please.
yeah, you can have this. By the way.
Mommy.
Shall we use it all? One. Have it done. Three. Bob, will you eat this, Daddy?
Nah, but I'll have that broccoli. I'm gonna go to Woolies now.
1, 2, that. Wow.
Whoa.
Wow. Thank you for helping, baby girl.
Thank you, help me, Mama.
Ma.
Kiss mommy.
Daddy.
Mommy, I'm not sleeping.
No, you're not sleeping yet. I'm gonna go to Paris. Ice block my eyes.
Mommy, out.
Oh. Tulog na. Anak, don't make a noise. Ate, baby girl. Don't make a noise. Ate is sleeping now, see?
I wish that I could have just one more chance. And I pray that you'll see.
No, they're not. I don't
Come on, let's go
want.
bed na. You sleep na.